Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for task management. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com and make sure you have an account and you already logged in. If you're not, go and log in. And if you don't have an account, go and create a new account. Of course, if you are, as example, a group of people that do intense tasks, make sure to go and invite them. You can invite them using a link or simply using their email address or name if they already have a Trello account. If they don't have it, you can simply invite the link and they will be taken to create an account. Other than that, as example, you can go to a specific board, or if you don't have any board, just go and create a board for specific tasks. As example, say I have here a board called tasks. And yeah, as you can see here, I have like this is a good template for some task management. So I have some lists. This is waiting to get started, progress, waiting for review, and completed. You can even add another list if you want. So, example, done or something like that. It's totally up to you to do this. To do this. And yeah, so now as an example, you can even assign some members to specific tasks. So, for example, this one is assigned to this member. I can go here and assign this task to this member. I'm the only member in my workspace, so I can assign just myself. And yeah, so when people come and start working on specific tasks, for example, I'm just going to this one specific task, they can move it to in progress. So once they're done with this, they can simply push it for waiting for review. And maybe another guy should be assigned now to review it. Once they review it and all good, as example, they can click on it. Oh, they did this, or they upload this file, they did this, or did they do the like the description? Do they have any comments and etc. Okay, all good. Yeah, I can just move it to complete and check maybe this option, and that's how you basically use this for like task management. As you can see, I have a lot of tasks. So create a CSV file. If someone is doing it, you can just go keep it here. Now you can put it here. If it's completed, put it here. And that's how you basically do it for task management. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again in the next video. So goodbye.